Welcome to our channel. In this informative video we will show you how to repost a tag post on Instagram. Without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. When someone tag you in a post, you will receive a notification. If you don't receive any notification, you have to go to your direct messages, that is click on the top right paper aeroplane icon. Here you see the persons who tag you in a post. Click on this. Now you see the notification that tag you in this post. So click on this post, and now you are able to share it in your Instagram account. To share it is a repost. You have to first share it in your story, then you easily repost it. First we will share it in our story. To share it in a story, click on the aeroplane icon, and you see that add post to your story. So click on that. Now click on the next option at the bottom right. You see that. Click on that. Now click on the done, share, and then click on done. So this post is shared as a story. To share it as a repost, now go to your profile and click on the profile to visible the story. Now click on the three dot and you see share as a post. Click on that. So now click on the next at the top right. Again click on the tick mark to share it. So you see that your reposting is finishing up. To check it, go to your profile. This is the reposted post in which your friend tagged you. Thanks for watching.